Hello my darlings and welcome. Today I want to show you how to make a money draw spell shaker jar. The intent of this money spell is to move the energy relating to your finances in a positive direction. Let's do some magical crafting. This spell was thoroughly inspected by my sweet little girl Noelle, and it has been kitty approved. You can also watch a video in which I create a Book of Shadows page for this spell jar. And if you'd like to download a PDF of any and all of my grimoire pages, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs, and I'll continue to add new downloadable content as I do more projects on the channel. At the end of this spell, I'll be using Fast Millionaire oil to anoint a green candle and then use the candle to seal the shaker bottle. I have a separate video on how to make this oil and I'll link to it below. The first step in making a spell jar is to define your intent. Your intent is what everything in your spell will revolve around. It should be specific and realistic. Focus on precise goals and make sure those goals are attainable. I'm making this spell jar to draw money and move the energies relating to finances in a positive direction. One step not shown here is to cleanse or consecrate the container that you're going to use, as well as all the items you plan to fill it with, if you wish to do so. This is my personal money draw spell. You can find many recipes for similar spell jars, and the ingredients will always differ slightly. When making your own money drawing shaker jar spell, you should incorporate the ingredients that you have on hand and that provide the effects that you want in your life. I encourage you to use what feels right for you and what you have access to. There's no need to buy expensive herbs, spices, stones, or crystals unless you want to. The first ingredient I'm adding is coffee. This is going to work as an accelerator for the spell. It will speed everything up and boost the spell's power. I add coffee to my spells to help them manifest better and stronger. Coffee magic is powerful stuff. It stimulates on many levels, offering the energy and movement needed to transform the static into the dynamic. Well-directed coffee magic can change the world. The next item I'm adding is money. If you have a jar that has a wider opening, you can use coins instead of paper money. I'm shredding up a dollar bill instead of rolling up or folding the bill. This way, my shaker jar will be easy to shake. Paper money or coins are a powerful addition to magic for financial gain. You can use tokens to represent money as well, but there's nothing like adding real money to a prosperity spell. It immediately removes any confusion regarding focus and intent, and it gets cash flowing in your direction quickly. Shredded money can be used for lots of money drawing magic. You could add it to money drawing oil and let it steep before using it to anoint yourself or dress some candles. You can mix it into incense, add it to charm bags. You can mix it into the soil before planting money drawing herbs. Add it to room sprays and floor washes, and at the first of every year, sprinkle a bit under the mat at the front door, just to ensure that cash flows steadily into your household. The ways to incorporate it into magic are limitless, and best of all, a little bit goes a very long way. The next ingredient I'm adding to the jar is pyrite. This is also known as fool's gold. Traditionally, pyrite is known as a stone of luck, abundance, and good fortune because of its resemblance to the precious metal of gold. Pyrite also provides willpower and vitality, stimulating the flow of ideas into practical action so that you can create your own wealth by your own power. This protective stone shields against negative energies and helps you be successful in pursuit of your dreams. It assists you by keeping you on the right path. It provides positive, high-frequency energy for you to draw upon to stimulate your flow of ideas, embrace your own potential, and take action in manifesting your desires. Next, I'm adding adventurine chips. Adventurine is a stone of prosperity and abundance, and it encourages a positive outlook and amplifies luck. Adventurine also soothes and stabilizes your emotions to increase tranquility and promote spiritual growth. It provides gratitude for what you have and attracts luck and assists in the successful application of new opportunities. The first dried herb I'm adding is basil. Basil has strong ties to money. It's used to attract customers and attract money to your wallet or bank account. Basil is a major herb of abundance as well as love. Keep basil with your money to have it returned to you. Many witches like to keep a basil leaf in their wallet to attract prosperity. Allspice is used for drawing money, luck, healing, and obtaining treasure. If you have the berries, you may wish to add 7 into your jar. I'm adding a combination of berries and powdered allspice. Another way to use allspice to attract money and wealth is to burn it as incense. Focus on filling your home with light, airy smoke and intentions to draw wealth. Or you may wish to add allspice to a pot of boiling water on your stove to fill your home with this grounding aroma that helps sets the stage for money and wealth spells. Patchouli magically brings money and love. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries in India and as perfume in the Middle East. It's been associated with wealth and prosperity down through the ages. It's also associated with fertility and can be used in spells in which you want something to grow. In this case, we're aiming to grow our bank account. The next step is to seal the bottle. I'm going to dress my green candle with Fast Millionaire oil. I place a few drops on my fingertips and clap my hands to wake up the oil. Then I rub the oil on the candle while visualizing wealth and prosperity being drawn in. I light the candle and use the wax drippings to seal the jar. Depending on the size of your jar, this may take longer, or you may wish to put your candle on top of the jar and let it burn down completely. But remember, fire safety and never leave a candle burning unattended. With the bottle sealed, you can shake it for a few minutes, either every day or once a week, as you infuse the jar with your intentions. To do this, just hold the bottle between your thumb and middle finger and shake it rhythmically. You may wish to speak words, add a prayer, or whatever your traditions call for. Shaking the bottle wakes up its energies. Shake the jar and repeat your request to the universe, or deity of your choice, for 7 days. Then keep the jar on your altar if your goal is an ongoing one that you'd like to keep working on. You can continue to burn candles over the jar or shake it to keep it working for you. I plan on putting a limited number of these money draw shaker spell jars on my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link to my shop below. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to create a money spell for yourself. and may all of your magical workings bring prosperity.